Hello, it's another Lord Foxy video, and I have now climbed on top of the train. I was a little scared, but there's nothing wrong. Nobody fell. My phone didn't fall.
Somebody want to jump down and take
It's
a
very
picture
cool
for me?
up here.
Just give me your phone and remember to be careful with your flip-flops. Hello.
And here's where the coal went. This place is like almost like the Polar Express.
Okay, watch out. Let me and Brandon take a picture, and then I'm gonna have.
Nice to see you guys.
We're gonna find out how we can take a. We're gonna try and get a big group selfie.
I don't like how rusted this shit is.
I don't either. 'Cause it's weight quite a bit together. Kind of close, so you can be far away. Let me know. Yep.
See, there's a second button. You just throw the coal in there.
Do another one.
I know.
You want someone with the glasses off?
There's wires over here.
Yeah, we need to spark up on here. I'm
That
scared.
is
I'm
like
going out this way. I don't
where
care. I have to jump.
they
like,
put
walk.
everything. And the same thing
The
is
other
right
way is
there.
easier, man.
Yeah, well.
And I'm out.
Okay, you know what?